Good morning, Texans. Today is Friday, August 28th, 2020, and it's time for our morning announcements. We'll start with our pledges of allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. And now to the great state of Texas. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible. And now we'll observe a moment of silent reflection. So today is an A day. You will see periods 1, 3, 5, and 7 today, and also you will see your advisory period today. Advisory begins at 9:30. You should have received some information from your advisory teacher. If you have not, look up who your advisory teacher is in Hack, and then look up that advisory teacher's Moodle page, and you should see the information on there. They will have created a toggle where you can find that. So you will see advisory today at 9:30, and then class begins at 10 with period 1. And so looking forward to that A day. And a quick programming note for you. So on Monday, it'll be B day. We are just straight up alternating those days. So it's not like we start out with A day on Monday every week, because then you would have an uneven number of days. So Monday will be a B day. Today is an A day. Just want to make sure everybody understands that, because we're not accustomed to that kind of schedule. We have a lot of information coming to you pretty soon. We'll be developing, we're finalizing plans for the return to in-person learning. Now, I do realize not everybody is coming back to in-person, and so the people who continue in remote learning will need some information regarding that as well. We're trying to put all of those things together, putting together some little video vignettes that we can send out to you, some written information that we'll send out to you as well. But all of that is forthcoming. We're kind of pulling it all together. We're figuring out exactly what the parameters will be when the students come back, so that we can clearly communicate expectations for the students who are returning to campus, and just try to make sure that we have the very best information for you when we send that out. So we're planning on recording some things toward the end of next week, and then that week before most of us come back to in-person learning, then we will get quite a lot of information out to you to make sure that you have the latest and greatest and most accurate information as you prepare to either return to in-person learning or continue on in remote learning while the rest of them are in in-person learning. And so more to come on that. Those are all of the announcements we have for you today, Texans. I love you. I miss you. I can't wait for you to be back on campus, and I hope you make it a great Friday.